Have you ever wondered how Tokyo, one of the world's busiest cities, transforms on a rainy day? Tokyo, a city that never stops, a city that thrums with life, takes on a different hue when rain clouds gather overhead. The everyday hustle and bustle don't falter, but it's met by a tranquil touch. The rain patters against the sea of umbrellas, each one a splash of color against the gray canvas. As drops of rain start to fall, the city dons a new avatar, a vibrant kaleidoscope of colors. The first signs of rain bring out a sea of colorful umbrellas, turning the bustling city into a vibrant spectacle. As the heavens open, the cityscape begins to transform. It's as if Tokyo has dunked itself into a painter's palette, each umbrella a different shade, a different stroke on this canvas called life. From cherry blossom pink to neon green, the streets are awash with color. People move efficiently, navigating the crowded streets under their personal domes of color. Amidst the gray skyscrapers, these umbrellas bloom like flowers after a spring shower. This city, renowned for its efficiency, now becomes a living, moving piece of art. Every passerby, every color, every umbrella contributes, weaving together this grand tapestry of life. Each umbrella tells its own story, adding to the city's grand narrative. Despite the downpour, the city does not stop. Instead, it moves with a new rhythm. The soft patter of rain on the streets, rooftops and umbrellas weaves a tranquil touch into the urban symphony. Each droplet serves as a note, creating a soothing melody in the heart of Tokyo. This gentle rhythm brings a sense of serenity amidst the city's hustle and bustle, transforming the ordinary into something extraordinary. For the locals, it's another day in the city, yet it's a day filled with a different kind of calm. For the visitors, it's a unique experience, a spectacle to behold. It's a reminder that even in the midst of chaos, tranquility can be found. Rainy days in Tokyo are not just about the rain. They are about the city's transformation into a vibrant, tranquil symphony.